My name is Evelyn Sherrard. I work for CSMS, which is Claude Simard Metal Systems. I'm 57 years old. I'm learning the boom zoom. I loved looking up, because you look all over the city when you're up in the air. If you're not scared of heights, give it a try. I mean, at my age, you're never too old or young to learn. Your brain is always wanting more. Keeps you young, actually. Like, I'm learning myself as I go along because I just started. So lately I've been doing a lot of the insulation, putting the pins and insulation in. We do cladding, the insulation, the vapor barrier, clips, and the pins. The clips hold on for the bars, and the pins hold the insulation in place, and then the bars go on top of the insulation. And sliding it, it's going great. It helps a lot because all the co-workers really help get you comfortable with doing the job, and any questions that you have, they're always there to help you. I would recommend anybody give it a try. I'm a mom of 4 children. I got 6 grandchildren. I'm still here. I'm learning. At my age, I just started not too long ago, and I've learned so much in just 3 months. And I just can't wait to actually, once school is finished, to come by and be showing my grandkids and my adult children the job I've done. I'm sure a lot of people didn't think I could make it or wouldn't even be here this long, right? But I love it. You know, just give it a try. Just see how fun it is. I mean, it's really fun. Never be intimidated. Try your best. It's the best you can do. You'll find out you might really love it. You know, it's different. But you're always outdoors. You're learning new things. It's never ever a dull, boring moment. You'll have your times where, you know, you feel like you can't do it. But everybody has that. You just don't give up and you keep going.